Here I have ARCHOS Diamond Gamma, and today I'm going to show you some of the secret codes on this device and also how to enter them. So to enter secret codes, you just have to open your phone and the keyboard on it, and the first code for today will be *pound 4636 *, and this is the phone information menu. Here you have a lot of the very interesting and useful information about your device. The second code for today is the *pound 225 *, and this is the calendar info menu. If you have any calendars set up, you will probably see them here. Next, what you have to do, next code for today is the *pound 426 pound *, and this one is the Google Play Services diagnostics. Next code is the *pound 759 pound *, and this one is the Google Partner Service setup. And the last code for today is the *pound 06 pound, and this is the code for the email info and me ID information. And that's it. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.